Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, we're going to be talking about element, compound, and mixture. Now, note that elements are chemical substances that are pure and cannot be broken down into simpler substances through physical or chemical process, ordinary chemical processes. Now, note that elements in some cases, large elements in some cases can be broken down into simpler process through simpler elements, through radioactive decay process. That's the reason why I use the word ordinary chemical process. Note that elements are unique. They have unique chemical or unique properties. You have elements having unique melting points or boiling points. Note that elements comprise, they are arranged in order of their atomic number in the periodic table. And atomic number is the number of protons in the atom. You can see example of elements, the hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, or even oxygen, fluorine, and others. Iron, they are examples of elements. Note that in the nucleus of elements anyway, they have proton and neutron inside the nucleus, while in the shell has the electron. Now let's talk about compound. Compound is comprised of two or more elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio. Note that word, two or more elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio. Now let's take a look at our common or universal solvent, water. Water comprises of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Now note that hydrogen is present, or two atoms of hydrogen is present in this molecule, while one atom of oxygen is actually present. Now, can put it this way. So, we can define a compound as a substance formed through the combination of two or more elements chemically combined in a fixed ratio. Water is 2:1. We can also decide to take a look at another compound, carbon 4 oxide. Now, carbon combined with oxygen and carbon 4 oxide is formed. Now, let's take a look at certain unique thing that you need to understand. The elements forming the compound have properties different from the compound itself. For example, in this example, you have hydrogen as a gaseous element. Oxygen, the same thing, gaseous. What about water? Water is actually liquid. So the properties of the element forming the compound may possess characteristics that are different from that of the compound formed. Take note of that. The boiling point and the melting point of these substances are different from that of water. So take note of that. The same apply to this. Now let's talk about mixture. You know, mixture are formed by combination of substances that are not actually chemically combined together. Mixture does not combine in any particular ratio. You can see example of mixture. We actually have two types of mixture. We have the homogeneous mixture and the heterogeneous mixture. Now, the homogeneous mixture is being displayed on the board, salt and water. Now, note that if you mix salt and water, you combine salt and water, they so mix together and look like a particular substance. So this is regarded as what the homogeneous mixture. They mix uniformly. All right, what about if you combine water and oil? You can see the diagram is being displayed. In this case, they don't mix. So you can regard this mixture as heterogeneous mixture. All right, we are aware that various elements, compound, or even mixture are present in our daily life activities. Even in the food we eat, we have mixture of water, salt, we have mixture of oil and various substances in it. In that same food, we have compound in it. We have the salt, sodium chloride being present there. In that same food, we have various elements present, have sodium being present, and we also have chlorine, as well as other elements present there. This is a very simple illustration of element, compound, and mixture. Thank you for watching.